I came to China more than 11 years ago, and it was simply because it was my dream. When I was a kid, my grandpa had a big library and a book was talking about China. And from very young age, my dream was to come to discover this unique culture who sounds so different, like another world, compared to France. So it's what brought me here in the first place. I started as a creative director in Beijing, and when I came here, I see the beauty of the Jimashan, and I decided to settle here. Protection of the rainforest in China is quite very impressive. China do a very strong and deep effort to protect it. Our main business is mostly to have kind of green tourism who come to us to experience a rainforest journey, and it's what we propose to people. And it's the best way to people to understand the diversity of the rainforest. I think the World Heritage will help to protect, to preserve. We need to protect it and to keep it as pure as possible.